Hello, it's Sandy here at Henrys SKODA in Glasgow. Here we have our Porsche 911 Carrera GTS, finished in Gentian Blue, sitting on 20-inch wheels at the front, 21 at the rear. They're the RS SPYDER design, finished in satin black. This car is powered by Porsche's 3-litre flat-six twin turbocharged engine. It produces 473 horsepower, giving this car a 0 to 60 time of 3.4 seconds. Performance and style is just as important to Porsche on the inside as it is on the outside. From the instrument cluster, it gives you every single detail you need to know about your drive, to the infotainment system that allows you to control suspension, as this car has the option of active suspension control. Now as well, this car comes equipped with Porsche's PDK transmission, which stands for Porsche and two German words I don't know. That means, however, it's shifted using these paddles, allowing for lightning quick shifts, faster than any other automatic or manual that Porsche offer.